Hi, today in this video we show you a project I was asked to create. It's a display for earrings that will go in a window shop. The earring in that case in the window shop are not in paper, but I put one of my paper earrings in order so you can see how the final result is. Okay, in this case they will display 4 pair of earring, but you can create a bigger version if you like something similar. Okay, let's get started to create this display. You will need a piece of paper. In this case I will use a black piece of paper. My piece of paper is 12 centimeter in this part and 31 centimeter long. Okay, we will need to fold enough our piece of paper. Voila. Okay, and then this is a little taller, but you can cut if you want a small version. You can cut this part, the end part. Okay, now we will need to create our hole. With this tool we will create our hole. It depends of the earring that you will use on this display, because you have in this case they are too near, and you can create the hole using a ruler, and then you can decide where you want to punch your hole, like here, and the other one here, 2 centimeter between the two holes. Okay, and the same here. You can decide the same here and here, and then in this way you can punch other 2 holes here. It depends of the pair of earrings that you will use to display. Okay, and I think here and here, and in this case I will have six pair of earrings. Okay, now we will need to punch this. Voila, the same here, and the same here and here, and so on. Voila, and here, the same here, okay, here, and our last 2 hole. Okay, voila, here our window display for our earrings, or our home display, it depends. Okay, now I will show you this part, this final part. I glue this strip of paper, because in this way my display will stay in a perfect way. Okay, for this part we will need a long strip. We will need to cut a long strip, and then you can cut a strip like this one. The measure, this is up to you. Now we will need to fold this little part, and the same here. This will be one, we will glue one part here inside on our display. Here with some glue. This is a tape glue. Okay, voila. We will need to glue here. Voila, our strip of paper. And now here, it's quite easy to create this final part, and voila, your stand will be perfect. You will have our perfect display. It's quite easy to make and quite useful. Okay, I hope you will enjoy this project, and see you next time with a new paper creation. Bye bye.